what is your motivation in life? How this can happen to me? This is a terrible thing.
This convinced me that I was not immortal and raised the question, what is the ultimate meaning of life?
I feel more sure than ever that we need to keep going until those in power succumb to the same grief and use it to save their children.